For this session, let's take a look at the correct use of our video switcher. First things first, power on, upper left-hand corner. Now this switcher can look pretty intimidating. It's got dozens of buttons and sliders. We'll only be using a small fraction of them. Here's how we're going to initially get this thing set up. Okay. First of all, this button right here for transition, unless told otherwise, you should have this set to 0. Okay, so it's 0 right there. That is the auto take time. If you twist this up, we can set that to a larger time, but for most of our purposes, we're going to set that down to 0. So make sure that's at 0. Okay. And these buttons over here, we're going to have this one. It's by default, it's on wipe. We're going to put it on mix. And then this video and audio button, we're going to light those up. Okay. Now what we have here is a two-track audio switcher, video switcher rather. Okay. This is track A. This is track B. Currently, track A is selected. It's indicated by that red light. And you can see that we're on source 1, which is camera 1, which is this camera right here. And you can see that camera 1 is what is displayed on the color video preview. Now, if we want to switch to camera 2, this is how you do it properly. On the track that's unlit, get 2 ready, which it is. When the director says take 2, you push this auto take button. It instantly switches to camera 2. Okay, now this is one difference from the more professional high-end video switchers is now it's switched that this is the active track and this is the inactive track. So here is where you get set. Notice that if I click these buttons, click, click, notice that the video source is still set on 2 because we're making changes on the inactive track. If the director says take 3, get 3 ready on the inactive track and press auto take. Okay. The rest of this is just following this pattern. A good switcher, a person that's doing the switcher, a good switcher will get to know the format and get to know what shot will probably be called for next. If we're on camera 3, in our case, camera 3 is going to be that couch right there. It's most likely that we're going to go to camera 1, which is going to show this couch next. So over here, I'm going to get 1 ready, anticipating the director will say, and now the director says, take 1. So it's ready here. We press auto take. And now we are seeing camera